So my cat is loving this PERSUPER Cat Hammock so much that I wanted to do a video and show it to you. So here I'm taking it out of the package, and look at this beautiful fabric. I like the fish that are on it, and there are these straps that are on each corner, and they each have this stainless steel hook that you can hook up to a cage. It's double layered and reversible, so you have a pattern on one side, and you can see a solid color on the other side. The stitching seems to be very nice. It seems to be really well made. So what I did is I used my kitchen table. He always likes to hang out with us in the dining room, so I put some hooks under the kitchen table with these little eye hooks. I have them here. I'm showing them to you in my hand here. So I went ahead and drilled 4 holes in the wood, making sure I didn't go all the way through the wood and out the other side. But then once I drilled those pilot holes, I went ahead and screwed in these eye hooks, and then I was able to put the straps to each of those hooks and sling it there. Now, to make it comfortable for my cat, and, he's never seen one of these before, I went ahead and put his little blanket, his favorite blanket, on the hammock, and I took him over there and put him in, and now he loves it.